Guys, my name is Pankaj Chaurasia and I'm from Balrampur and my channel name is The First Spark of Knowledge. If you are first at my channel, then first of all you should subscribe my channel, which you can get whatever information I send at YouTube. Today I would like to give you some information about our India's condition. As we all know that in our India, poverty is stepping up day by day, which is too much bad conditions of our India. So I think we should try to improve it, which, and you know that if we will try to improve it, then we can improve our country. And you know that poverty is not a good conditions of any country. We can see that poverty is present in every country, but we all are seeing that in our India's country, poverty is too much high. So you know that today I would like to tell you information why our India's poverty is stepping up day by day and what is the condition behind it. So you know that the poverty is a type of which persons have no money, which persons have nothing. Which persons have no money, which they can eat anything, which they can purchase anything, which if they want to if they want to complete their wishes, so they are not able to complete their wishes, only lack of money, so that's called poverty. And you know that if I talk about the conditions, so you know that poverty, behind poverty a lots of conditions is present, like education problems and our a lots of problems are present. And you know that the main conditions of poverty is, as I told you earlier, that the main conditions of the main problem of poverty is education. So you know that if you will educate everyone, every person, every student, every child, everyone, if any country, if any village, if any state, if any district, everyone will be educated, then they can fight their for their rights, and they can get a proper job, and they can get a proper money also with the help of job. Because if they will literate, if they have a knowledge, any type of knowledge, if they will a good educate person, then they can do everything, and they can eat foods, and they can purchase everything only with the help of money. So you know that first of all we should focus largely on the earning money with the help of education, because education is the deep root by which we can get a lots of monies. And with the help of money we can get education, we can get anywhere job, and with the help of job, with the help of our education, we can feed up our family very easily. So we can say that education is playing a vital role in the improving poverty. So if you want to improve poverty of our country, so you should give some information about person's rights, and you should also give some education by which they can get a proper job, and they can feed their family very easily. So with this, I want to say only one thing, that if you are able to give him some money, like we can see on the footpath of the road, a lot of persons are not able to earn anything, or they are not able to eat anything, and they have no also home by and in that home which they can live. So I think you should also give some help by which they can live in that home, and which they can eat, and they can feed their family very easily. So you know that this is a main point of for you, and you should also give him some help. Whatever you want to do for him, you should try to give him, because they have no, like our government is also not focusing on the poverty. So I think we all are humans, and we all are person of our country, so we should try to give him some facilities by which they can feed their family. So I think this is enough information for you all, guys. So if you want to get more information about these types of topics, so now subscribe me and like my channel.